pea shoot in the middle. And then it's, there you go.
Guys.
Darren over there in the blue shirt with Bas, yeah?
Dit lyk dalk net na nog 'n koffiewinkel in die besige Langstraat in die Kaap. Maar die winkel, wat maandag sy deure vir die eerste keer oopgemaak het, maak gebruik van 25 verstandelike gestremde personeel. In die kombuis, as kelner of as barista. Sommige klante sien ook nie dadelik die verskil nie.
We saw the other coffee shop that we used last year, and we saw this one, and I thought this looks vibrant. There are balloons outside, and everybody looks helpful. Go in here. And then my husband explained to me what it was about, and then as he said it, and he left to go to the toilet, I actually had tears running out of my eyes, thinking it's so wonderful people have been helped, and that this philanthropic thing is growing here as well. And it's fantastic. It really touches my heart.
Die Brownies and Downies koffiewinkel is 'n nuwensgewende restaurant wat mense met gestremdhede die kans gee om 'n bydrae aan die gemeenskap te kan lewer. Modien Windvogel is 'n student aan die Jou Eise spesiale skool in Belhar en vandag werk sy as 'n kelner.
Vir my is dit baie lekker om te weet en ek dink as ek miskien nou hier gaan werk, gaan vir my 'n goeie betekenis is van iets om anders te doen en ek is spyt om dit te doen. So is baie lekker vir my en die meeste vriende gemaak en die ander spanne en alles is 'n familie vir my en ja, I like it here.
Hoe presies lyk die personeel se tipiese dag?
So they come in groups of 7, 6, and sometimes 8, depends on the day and the how high functioning or low functioning. I've kind of divided it over those days. And then, yeah, so they come in between 7:45 and 9. The 7:45 kids stay till 3:30, 4:45, and then the 9:45, 9 o'clock kids stay till about 4:45. So when they come in, we have a big whiteboard. I just say, okay, who wants to be in the kitchen, who wants to do the waitering, and we have one boy who's really good at barista.
Maar is die naam Brownies and Downies nie bietjie aspres nie?
So where the name actually comes from is Thijs and Toon in the Netherlands. They sat down with the whole committee of Down syndrome in their town, and they asked all of the parents, what is a good name? And they actually came up with the name. So that's the parents of kids who have Down syndrome. The name is also a bit, yes, it's out there, but it grabs your attention and you will never forget it.